Good morning, children. Now, today, what we are going to do, have you all completed your posters? Beta, unmute yourself and speak. Just unmute yourself, Adeshika, if you're speaking something.
No, ma'am, I have not done my drawing.
All right. What about you, Adeshika?
Ma'am, I have done the work.
You have done? Have you posted on the class group? Have you posted on
No,
the class?
ma'am.
No? Okay. What about others? Kartik, Lakshay, Pratishtha, Riddhi, Navira. What about you all, children?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in my home there was some function, so I complete my drawing. Uh, so I cannot complete my drawing in few days. So can I submit till 20?
20th. What is today? Today is just 4th of
Ma'am, fourth.
Feb.
Ma'am, for
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh, how long do
Yes,
you need
ma'am.
to do this little work?
ma'am, because I have some functions.
You have some functions. So this work is going on from so many days. Till now, what have you done? How much have you done, beta? And when you are sitting in the class, you have to do it while you are in the class, no? If you're attending the class, you can do it in the class itself.
What we have to do?
Now see, Harsh, you're attending the class right now. Beta, start doing it. Okay? You will attend this 40 minutes class, right? Harsh, yes or no?
Ma'am, what we have to do?
Okay, Harsh is not replying now. We have to complete the poster that we were doing, types of waste. Navira, I have just seen your poster right now. Beta, it's good. You've made it nice, but you have not colored the pictures. Why so? Hmm? Just color the pictures. You have only outlined them. And what is the spelling of medicines, children? Beta, when you write or when you make these posters, please be sure that you're writing correct spellings. It is not your answers that you can just write on, go on writing anything. It's a poster. You have to show it, you have to display this thing. So make sure all the spellings that you write in it are correct. Because we can't make a circle on that. We can't circle it and put a cross in a poster, right? Otherwise, you have done really well. Good.
Ma'am, what are we doing?
Beta, we are talking on the poster making thing. Noel, have you completed your poster, beta?
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, what we have to do?
Karthik, have you done your poster? Have you done it, Karthik?
Ma'am, I have just one drawing left.
All
Ma'am,
right.
can I say?
Those whose posters are left, please do it now. And from tomorrow, we are going to start a new poster making. I want all of you to finish this work today.
Excuse
We have,
ma'am.
yes.
Ma'am, can I show you what I have made in my poster?
Yes, sure.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, wait.
Very nice. It looks really good.
Ma'am, this also.
Yes, wonderful work, beta. Wonderful.
Ma'am, this.
Very good.
Ma'am, and this also. Ma'am, wait.
Noel, this looks really nice. Now, beta, color it, outline it very nicely, and then share it on the class group.
Ma'am, I have made this also.
It looks wonderful. What it is? Acha, it is construction and
Ma'am,
demolition.
construction
Yes,
modification.
yes. It's looking very nice.
Ma'am, and
Wonderful
this
work.
also.
Now, see,
Ma'am,
there are students
RDS
who
way.
work so hard. Beta, you all are same. Karthik, what are you doing? Start doing your work. Today is the last day for this work. From tomorrow, we are going to start a new poster making. Children, I will give you marks for each poster. Don't take it very lightly.
Ma'am, which poster we will do tomorrow?
Tomorrow, we are going to make a collage on unity in diversity. It is related to chapter number 18, Unity in Diversity. Yes, beta, show what you have made. I can't see. Very nice, Riddhi. Very good, beta. Okay, so you have made those dustbins. But beta, see, Riddhi, now you didn't follow my instructions carefully, that means. You were supposed to make each kind of waste. But what you have made 4 dustbins and named them organic waste and this waste and that waste. You had to show liquid waste, how liquid waste is. You had to show hazardous waste. You had to show different kinds of things, beta. No problem. Now what you have done is okay. But next time, please take my instructions very sincerely. And if you're confused in anything, ask me. Which type of waste is this, beta?
Ma'am, 1 minute, I am telling.
I think you have made something wrong from wrong page. Noel, have you done? Shaurya and Apurva, have you done?
No, ma'am.
How much is left, beta? How much have you done?
3.
Only 3? So less.
Ma'am, 3 are left.
But beta, still a lot many are left. You're going too slow. Other classes also did the same work in just 2 or 3 classes maximum. You people have used so many periods in just this much work. Why is 4th A so slow?
Ma'am, only 3 are left.
Will you be able to do it in today's class? Tell me. No, na? That means you need one more class to complete those 3 pictures. You have to color them. You have to outline them.
Ma'am, I have completed my 1.
Show it to me. Bring it in front of the camera. You have just drawn one picture, Karthik. Where are the other pictures?
Ma'am, I am making.
So why are you saying you have completed your work? This class is going very slow, I must say. You are supposed to make types of wastes. There are 8 different types of waste. You have to draw one each. Now, what are those 8 different types of waste? They are organic waste, they are construction and demolition waste, medical waste, liquid waste, solid waste, hazardous waste. It is given in waste management chapter on page number 134. You have to draw one kind of waste of all these 8 different wastes. You can draw anything.